For more than a century, Domtar's Mill in Kingsport, Tennessee has been a central part of the regional business community. This landmark has grown and adapted across decades and recently experienced significant transformation. A multi-year conversion project has now enabled the mill to become Domtar's first 100% recycled containerboard facility and home to the second largest recycled containerboard machine in North America.
Well, this is Domtar's first entry into containerboard division. So over the course of the last several years, we've been converting an uncoated free sheet machine into a containerboard machine. Now that the project is complete, we have the capability of making a high-performance liner, medium, and packaging grades.
The conversion has equipped the Kingsport Mill to produce more than 600,000 tons of high-quality linerboard and corrugated medium annually. The bottom line, Domtar is at the forefront of a market poised for consistent, long-term growth.
Domtar decided to enter the packaging market to build on our 175-year history as a fiber innovator. As you look at global pulp and paper markets, the packaging market is largest both globally and here in North America, and is continuing to see nice growth into the future, primarily due to sustainability and e-commerce trends.
It's a very large market in the United States, growing probably by about 2% a year, which means every year it needs 800,000 tons of new capacity just to keep the growth profile. We felt we had an interesting way to enter the market with recycled testliner coming out of Kingsport, and really positioning ourselves as the independent's friend and supporter rather than people who run the integrated model. So that's what we're proceeding to do.
A conversion of this magnitude is only possible with the collaboration of city, state, and regional leaders who understand that manufacturing is an essential economic driver.
We found the community and the local officials to be very helpful. So we thought that we'd have to be very thorough in how we explained what we wanted to do and how we wanted their help in dealing with our transition to our new business. And they were. They asked a lot of questions, but they wanted to know mostly what they could do to help.
That kind of collaboration is one reason why Domtar continues to be a leading employer in Kingsport, attracting highly skilled people from across the region. In addition, Domtar is now the largest manufacturer of recycled products in Tennessee and a significant contributor to the circular economy. Going forward, the mill will collect and repurpose nearly 700,000 tons of old corrugated containers and other mixed paper, keeping these materials out of landfills and instead using them to make useful product. That's enough material to fill about 1.5 Empire State Buildings. The mill's location in the heart of the Southeast allows it to supply lightweight packaging grades to more than 70 independent corrugated box makers. So before long, the paper materials in your recycling bin may come back to you in the form of a box made with Domtar recycled containerboard.
When we looked at it, we also felt that from a capital standpoint, we could build a testliner mill for actually less money than it would cost us to build a fully integrated kraft liner mill and containerboard. So that's why we settled on Kingsport. In addition, great management, great story to tell, and we felt we could make a really compelling offering of lightweight testliner to independent converters. And as we sit here, we've got a fantastic customer base that we're only too excited to supply.
When you look at the assets that we have here, we have world-class assets. Most importantly, as you look at our people, we've got a tremendous group of people here, and they've demonstrated time and time again that they're up for new challenges, and they're so excited and energized to be entering into the packaging markets here at Kingsport. The city of Kingsport and the Tri-Cities area has been our home here for this mill for over 100 years, and we're so proud to be a part of this community.